So maybe you think that this video is about the battle between Windows and Linux, but no. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can use both the Linux and Windows in a same machine. Yeah, in a same machine without any partition. So let's see how we can use this. So for this, first we have to download and install VirtualBox. So those of you who don't know what is VirtualBox, VirtualBox is an application using which you can run different operating system on your host operating system. So for an example, I gonna run Ubuntu on my Windows operating system. So here Windows is my host operating system, and I will run Ubuntu virtually on this Windows host using VirtualBox. So let's see how we can do this. First, open your favorite browser and search for VirtualBox. Here is the official link for VirtualBox provided by Oracle, and VB 6.1 is the updated version. So just click on this download button. Now click on the Windows host, or if you are using Mac OS or Linux, you can choose option according to your OS distribution. And now just follow the installation instruction steps, which are pretty easy to follow, and you just need to press some next button and your VirtualBox will be installed on your Windows OS. Okay, now we are going to download the ISO file of Ubuntu. So for this, just visit the official website of Ubuntu, and you can see the download link for ISO file of Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Just click on this and the download will be started. I have already downloaded this, so I am going to cancel it now. So now we will create a virtual machine in our host machine. So before this, let me install the VirtualBox. You can easily follow this. This is nothing but some set of next button. Okay, so on your VB, you just need to click on the new button here, and once you click on the new button, you have to provide the name of your new machine. You can write anything here, let's say Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Now you have to select the type and the version of your machine, which is already selected, Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, now click on the next button here. So here in this page, you have to select the memory size, so create up to your requirement. In my case, I am allocating 3 GB of RAM. Okay, now press on the next button, and here just leave it as default. So that is create a virtual hard disk now, and hit the create button. So here you have to select the hard disk file type. Just leave it as VDI, that is VirtualBox disk image, and click on the next button. And in this section, you just leave it as default, that is dynamically allocated. So if you want to know more about what is dynamically allocation, you can read it from here, and click on the next button. In the next window, you have to choose the virtual hard disk size. By default it is 10 GB, so you can change it as your requirement. And now click on the create button here. Once you have hit on the create button, you can see the new machine here. So before install this machine, you have to customize some specification, so go for it. So now select on the setting option and click on the advanced section under general. Here in the shared clipboard option, you just need to choose bidirectional and drag and drop also bidirectional. It actually help you to share your file between your host machine and your virtual machine. Okay, now in the motherboard, you can leave it as default, and now you have to choose the CPU for your virtual machine. For your VirtualBox, by default it is 1. So I will recommended you to give the half of your CPU for this virtual machine. So now we are in the storage section. It is the most important part, so follow it carefully. So here you have to provide the ISO file of your Ubuntu. So just need to click on the empty button here. So now just choose the CD icon option here and then choose the ISO file which you have already downloaded. Okay, that's it. In the audio section you have to enable the audio input. So that all the section leave it as default. Now click on the OK button here. So once you have done all of these settings, just go for the start button. It will start installation process of your Ubuntu. Okay, now you can see that installing of Ubuntu has been started. Now you will see this kind of window here. So in the left hand side you can choose the language here. I am choosing English as my language and then hit on the install Ubuntu here. So now next window you can see the keyboard layout here. So in my case I am choosing US keyboard and click on the continue button. So in this window you can see the information about updates and software. So just leave it as normal installation, and in the other option you can check the third-party software option. And now click on the continue button here. So on this page, in this page you can select as default erase disk and install Ubuntu option. It will automatically allocate everything for you, or you can follow this second option, something else, and click the install now button here. So now you have to create your partitions. So click on the plus button here. So first I am creating swap memory that actually help you in memory organization. So I am allocating approx of 2 GB for swap memory. So in the rest of the memory I'll install my Ubuntu. So for this select the mount option as slash. So those of you don't know about the file organization system of Ubuntu, you can see this picture. So if you can't understand this, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a video regarding this. Okay, now click on the OK button here and hit the install now. Before continue you can check out this partition. So if you are agreed with this, just click the continue. Now you have to choose the location. So I am from India, so I am selecting my country and then click on the continue button. Now and here you have to give the name of your computer. So just fill it up and then press the continue. Now you can see that the installation of Ubuntu will start on your VirtualBox. So you just need to wait for some time. Okay, now you can see that the installation process has been completed. You just need to restart your system now. Okay, now you can see that the Ubuntu operating system has been starting, and you can see that the login window here. So just provide your password for authentication. So first of all, after opening, you can see this type of welcome window here. You can click on the skip option here, and also so just click the next and click on the done. Now you will able to see the Ubuntu desktop here. So before do anything, let me scale down the display. So for this, just follow these steps. Just go to the settings and change the resolution of your display. Okay, that's it. Now you can experience the sweet flavor of Linux. Hope you will love the Linux and also my videos. So hit on the like button here and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.